to making the video of I got this Thanos pop vinyl, and I just got my normal gauntlet, which is going to go down here. And today we're going to be reviewing this pop Thanos vinyl. It's a Wal-Mart exclusive. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Because I guess it's Thanos with like, I think, yeah, that's mine. That's Time Stone using it, and he's like blocking. Then we're going to be opening it, and I'm sorry, but I'm not going to be able to destroy it like every other packet I do. I'm actually going to keep it nice and not destroyed. I know you guys like destruction just like me, but...
Speaking of destruction.
So, wait, just wait. And he's a bobblehead. So, this, how do you fit his head back in? So this is what he looks like here. He's just like black eyes, weird triangle nose. He's like, I snapped. I'm awesome. So, this is basically Thanos. He comes in like a little packet, and there are all the pop vinyls on the back. There was 3 different Thanoses. There was this Thanos, there was this Thanos, and there's the Thanos where he's on his little like demon chair thingy that floats in space. That's awesome. I love that. So put this down here.
This is your first vinyl?
Yeah, my first ever vinyl. Put this down here. And he has he has all the stones, he has the gauntlet. He's not wearing his Titan armor, but he has blasting you back, just like science, just like magic. Pew.
Do they all bobblehead?
Most of them. Most of them bobble on the head. The detail on this is pretty good, like, the gauntlet doesn't have all the detail in the world, but it's kind of hard because it's a smaller guy. Thanos has his like little like I guess dry marks, like his, what would they be called? Like forever wrinkles.
Yeah.
Thanos has his forever wrinkles on. He has his like he has the stuff that he wears, and the black dead eyes, even though he doesn't have black dead eyes in the movie.
Well, all pops do though.
Can you do a headstand? Wait. Thanos, acrobatic. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep collecting these because they are cool. The first one I got is one of my favorite characters. The ones that I think I'm gonna collect, and the most recentest, the newest ones are going to be Deadpool, Gwenpool, Groot, Black Panther, and the Hulkbuster suit. So those are the ones that you might see soon. So guys, this is basically going to be the end. I explained about it, talked about it. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Also, comment down below. Comment down below what you want to see. More pop vinyl figure review thingies. Probably. Bye! Thanos is walking away, falling off of a cliff, changing reality so he doesn't.